Hi, I want to introduce to you the bucket cape. It's a new invention for handling tools. And the cape it just attaches to a bucket. There's a strap here, and I'll show you later as to how it attaches here. It's very easy. You just wrap it around and there's a buckle there. So you can add this to a 5-gallon pail. And the idea is that when you're working on site and you want to get your tools out, you can just dump them out here and have access to them. Now I'm in the middle here of a toilet installation, so I'm going to arrange my tools in an area that's convenient to where I'm working. And I couldn't find my putty knife, so I'm going to use this, and I just need to clean the top of the flange and make sure that's good to accept the gasket. And this is kind of pretty much all ready to go, so I'm not going to spend a lot of time on it. And I would say that's clean as a whistle. So now you notice I can take all my tools as I'm working and just throw them on top of the fabric tray. So now they're all accessible there and I don't have to be looking around. I tend to put tools down here, tools down here, tools down here, and it gets really inefficient. You know, if you can just put them into the fabric tray, then it works best. So this is the flange I'm going to put in. I've never used them. Usually use a wax gasket to put in a toilet. And this seemed to make sense to me because, you know, you could just take it on and off if it was needed or whatever. But anyhow, I'm going to try that. So another benefit of the fabric tray is you can use it as a little work area. So they got some nuts and bolts here that I need to install for this here. And I think that goes down like that. And actually the first thing I need to do is to put these bolts in. There we go there. And there we go there. Then you take the gasket. Might as well just keep going. Goes on top there. Make sure it fits in. And then the washers will go on top to hold the gasket up. And again, I can find things conveniently over there because it's not, I have a little work area on that, so it's not all thrown all over the place. And there you go. Now I'm ready to install a toilet on top of the gasket. Okay, so we're all done with the toilet installation, and I'm just ready to clean up. So you got a couple of tools lying around. Take them up, put them on the fabric tray. Take the fabric tray, put the stuff inside the bucket, and you're all done to walk away. So I just want to show you what the fabric tray is. Again, it's just this little buckle here, which you just wrap it around, and that's it. It's just a piece of cloth. All right, thanks for watching.